Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make brownies without cocoa powder. We're going to achieve that deep, rich chocolate flavor and fudgy texture by using melted chocolate instead of cocoa powder. This simple swap makes a big difference in the final product. You'll need about 6 ounces of good quality baking chocolate, either unsweetened or bittersweet, to get started. This method ensures a truly decadent brownie experience, perfect for any occasion. First, gently melt your 6 ounces of baking chocolate with 1 stick of unsalted butter. Once smooth, let it cool slightly. Then, in a separate bowl, whisk together 2 large eggs, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gradually incorporate the cooled chocolate mixture into the egg mixture, stirring until just combined. This careful process ensures a smooth, glossy base for your delicious brownies, setting the stage for a perfect bake. Now it's time to add the dry ingredients. Gently fold in 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour and a small pinch of salt into your wet mixture. The key here is to mix just until the flour streaks have disappeared. Overmixing can develop the gluten in the flour, resulting in a tough, cakey brownie rather than the desired fudgy texture. A light touch ensures your brownies remain wonderfully moist and tender, exactly how we want them. Finally, pour your rich brownie batter into an 8 by 8 inch baking pan, ideally lined with parchment paper for easy removal. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes. A toothpick inserted into the center should come out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. The most crucial step for fudgy brownies is letting them cool completely, for at least 2 hours, before slicing and enjoying. This patience is truly rewarded.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.